below the bullshit. Let the pendulum swing. Drive a boat like you stole it. There's a grease up to save machine. I've got a flair for theatrics. It feels like punching Bruce. I've been getting my ass kicked, but I'm playing to lose. A soft drawer, they snooping in the bane of all our inhibitions. A dead horse, it's a blood sport. Yeah, you can dig for pity in the hearts it appears, and cover up your eyes and make the world disappear. You can start a fire, everybody singing the same stale song. This was as far as my plan went. Smacked up against the wall. Feels like I'm being punished for something by good folks who scare quotes in the sea.